Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Signs and symptoms: a sudden pain at the back of the leg, particularly at the muscular tendinous junction. Difficulty in contracting the muscle or standing on tiptoe. Pain and swelling or bruising in the calf muscle. Pain on resisted plantar flexion or contracting the muscles against resistance.
Take our lead.
The best way to recover from a torn calf muscle is by protection, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Price. If treated properly, it can take up to 3 weeks to heal grade 1 calf pulls, 4 to 6 weeks to heal grade 2 muscle strains, and 3 to 4 months to heal grade 3 tears.
Take our lead.
Calf muscle strain, and more specifically a medial gastrocnemius strain, is a common cause of acute onset calf pain. Usually this injury occurs during a sports or exercise activity when pushing off suddenly during a sprint or jump. The pain of a calf strain is often described as a sudden sharp or tearing sensation.
Take our lead.
Massage. Therapeutic massage helps loosen tight muscles and increase blood flow to help heal damaged tissues. Applying pressure to the injured muscle tissue also helps remove excess fluid and cellular waste products. A 2012 study found that massage immediately following an injury may even speed strained muscle healing.
Take our lead.
Home remedies for calf pain relief. RICE, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Icing and elevating the leg are two common principles of RICE/OTC medications. Calf pain can also be soothed with common pain relievers such as ibuprofen or naproxen. Stretching. Light stretching can help ease calf pain.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A pulled calf muscle refers to strains within the two muscles in the lower back of your leg that make up your calf. They're called the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. When a strain occurs, muscle fibers are torn to some degree. A pulled calf muscle happens when your internal muscles are overstretched from exercise.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.